Welcome to our complete guide on referring a friend on Betmgm. Today, we'll give you all the insider tips you need to get started with their fantastic referral program. First things first, let's talk about the eligibility requirements you need to meet before referring your friends. Now, let's dive into our step-by-step guide on how to access the Refer a Friend feature on the Betmgm app. Generating your unique referral link is crucial. Here's how to do it in just a few clicks. Sharing your referral link effectively is key. Let's look at some best practices and channels you can use. So, what do your friends need to do after receiving your referral link? It's pretty straightforward. Now, let's break down the bonuses, what you and your friend can earn through this referral program. Sometimes things might not go as planned, so let's go through some common issues and their solutions. Looking to maximize your referral potential? Here are some handy tips to help you out. You're now ready to start referring friends. Let's make the most of the BetMGM referral program together.